Hello, today I have a great recipe for sourdough brioche. This bread is so delicious and it's very soft. I know you're gonna love it. So, here we go! To start this recipe, make a levain or a stiff sourdough starter. Place in a bowl 40 grams or 2 tablespoons of sourdough starter. Add 40 grams or 2 3/4 tablespoons of water. Mix with a silicone spatula to combine the water with the sourdough starter and add 80 grams or half a cup of bread flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Mix the dough with your hands and knead the dough for about 1 minute on your working table until it comes together. Then, place it in a clean jar and cover it with a lid. Leave the levain to proof for at least 4 hours in a warm place or until it doubles in size. When your levain is ready, pour 110 grams or half a cup of milk at room temperature in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 250 grams or 5 large eggs, also at room temperature. Add 35 grams or 3 tablespoons of sugar and 8 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add all of the levain that you previously prepared. Use the hook attachment to start mixing the ingredients in your stand mixer. Add 550 grams or 4 3/8 cups of bread flour little by little as you keep mixing the dough. Mix until the dough comes together and it doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl. Add 240 grams or 1 cup of butter at room temperature cut in small pieces as you keep mixing the dough. Mix for about 20 minutes or until the dough doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl. This dough looks soft and elastic, but it's not ready yet because it tears when I try to stretch it. So I'm gonna finish kneading it by hand, but you can keep kneading in your stand mixer. To knead it by hand, just make sure to stretch and fold the dough gently to help the gluten develop in the dough. When your dough is ready, soft and elastic, place it in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it proof in the fridge overnight. The next morning, get the dough out of the fridge. Place it on your working table and divide it in 16 equal pieces. You can use a food scale to have equal sized pieces to shape your bread better. You can shape this bread also by making a braid, but I like to do it this way, which is simple and looks very good too. Once your dough is equally divided in 16 portions, make balls with the dough, making sure to add enough tension to the dough as you keep rolling it on your working table. Place the balls of dough in an 8 by 4 inches or 20 by 10 centimeters loaf pan. Repeat the same process with the other 8 pieces of dough. Cover the loaf pans with a greased plastic wrap and let the dough proof in a warm place. I am using my dough proofer to proof my dough for about 2 hours or until the dough reaches the rim of the pan. After 2 hours, my dough is proof and ready to be baked. Brush the dough with egg wash well on all the surface of the dough. And place the breads in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the breads are golden brown. Get the brioche loaves out of the oven and brush them with a simple syrup that you can prepare by mixing 1/8 of a cup of water with 1/8 of a cup of sugar. Mix well over medium heat until the syrup has a good consistency, not too thick and not too runny. Let the brioche loaves cool down for about 30 minutes and remove them from the loaf pans. When you are ready to cut this amazing bread, cut it and enjoy it. This bread is so rich and it goes great toasted with your favorite jam, but it is also great to eat as French toast. Enjoy! I really hope you can make this bread. I know you're gonna love this bread. Please, if you like this video, click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.